Hello guys, structures annuity settlement. This is article explaining how to the Structured Settlement Protections Act protect holders of structured settlement and prevents them from losing large percentage of their money when selling their annuity. On January 22, 2002, a bill was signed into the law by the then President George W. Bush. This act would forever change the suffering of those structured settlement holders who choose to sell their annuities for a lump sum. As you probably know or would definitely want to know, there are funding companies out there who are large ready to buy your settlement in exchange for lump sum. Companies then enjoy a profit as the lump sum received by you is not the total values of the settlement. Almost around 30% or more of the total settlements amounts would go to the funding company that specialize in structured settlement dealing. Prior to above stated law, any person looking to convert his or her settlement annuity into a lump sum was taken advantage of by these funding companies that offered to buy their settlements. There have been several cases where the companies have mistreated the annuity holders by offering unreasonable price or with holding information like the tax disadvantage that the plaintiff has to face if she decided to sell the annuity etc. But thanks to this act, the interests of the annuity holders are now protected by the state. According to the Structured Settlement Protections Act of 2002, any transactions involving the sale of settlement annuities to funding company should be compulsory be approved by a state court, which will then investigate if the lump sum in exchange for the structured settlement annuity is a reasonable one and protects the interests of the annuity holders and that of those who depend him her. This act also brought in the issuers of the annuity into the circle. This has prevented the annuity issuers, life insurance companies from being caught unaware when the structured settlement issued by them suddenly has a new recipient resulting due to sales of these structured settlement annuities by the original owner.